Hello everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to check firewall settings so you can keep your Windows computer safe and secure. Now let's get started. Method 1. Step 1, click on the search bar at the bottom left of your taskbar, which lets you quickly find applications and settings on your computer. This is the easiest way to access system tools without navigating through multiple menus. Step 2, type Control Panel into the search bar and select Windows Defender Firewall from the search results. Opening this will take you directly to the firewall settings, where you can manage protection for your computer. Step 3, click on Private Networks to see the specific settings for your private network. Here you can check if the firewall is active and configured correctly to protect your device from unwanted access. Method 2. Step 1. Click on the search box again and type Windows Defender Firewall to open the same firewall settings interface. This method is a shortcut for users who want direct access without going through Control Panel. Step 2. In the Windows Defender Firewall window, click on Advanced Settings to open more detailed firewall configurations. This section provides in-depth control over your network security settings. Step 3. In Advanced Settings, check the inbound rules, outbound rules, and monitoring sections. These options allow you to control which applications can send and receive data, giving you full oversight of your firewall protection. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tech tutorials.